3.
Good morning, welcome to Mercure Hotel.
Good morning. I want to make reservation for next weekend.
Okay, we still have several rooms available for that. Let me know as little 25. How long will you be staying?
4 days.
How many people is the reservation for?
1 person.
What name will the reservation be listed under?
Deno Panagua.
The room is 350 per night.
Okay.
Is there a phone number where you can be contacted?
The number is 08152092932.
Okay, thank you.